Okay, so let's pick up where we left off. So the opposite of a positive is a negative 50. Now we can solve the division. 50 divided by 2 is 25, and the opposite of a positive is a negative. Okay, let's just try one more, and then we can be done. Okay, so let's make it extra tricky. A, B to the third, take the opposite of that, minus, oh yeah, I put a minus, A, C. And we need the values for A, B, and C. So A will be negative 2, B will be 3, and C is going to be negative 8. Here we go. Okay, so remember, this is tricky. I would circle this, drop it down. That has nothing to do yet with what the value of A is. A is a negative 2. B, let's put it in parentheses, is 3. We're cubing it. And we're gonna drop down this negative symbol right in front, and we're gonna deal with that in just a second. Minus, drop down your subtraction symbol. A, put it in parentheses, is a negative 2, and C is a negative 8. Okay, that's not very pretty, but it's doable. Let's start to simplify, okay? So the very first thing we're supposed to solve is exponents. So 3 to the third, again, 3 times 3 times 3 would be 27. And then we're supposed to drop everything back down. I'm gonna go ahead and put this negative 2 in parentheses. Don't forget to drop down that first negative, okay? Drop down your subtraction symbol and your negative 2 and your negative 8. Okay, now we can tackle the multiplication. So, 27, excuse me, times 2 is 54. The opposite of a positive makes it a negative. Don't forget to drop this guy down. Oh, that's weird. We'll deal with it. Minus 2 times 8 is 16. And the opposite of a negative makes it a positive. Now you're gonna notice these two symbols are in a row. We can separate those with parentheses to make it look a little nicer and more manageable. The opposite of negative 54 is positive 54. Drop down our minus 16. Then we simply need to subtract 54 and 16 for a difference of 38. Okay, that completes our lesson 11.4 and 11.5. Please feel free to rewind and review as needed. Bye.